back to Heroes Cooking Show. This is a new series I'm doing. For this, you're gonna need some flour, some sugar, and some caramel. It can be hot or, So I'm only using one of these because I can't find a teaspoon. We are gonna need 2 tablespoons. I don't know. Just do 4 of half a. You're gonna need 2 teaspoons of sugar and of flour. Gosh dang it. Gosh dang it. You know what? Make sure there's not too many chunks. That shall be good. Oh, shit! Oh my god, you need to help me clean this up. Oh my god, you need to help me. You guys, it's a freaking mess. Down in the basement. 513. 513.
We're expecting some lower clouds to move in with those, some lake effect snow showers. So as you go to bed tonight, you might be able to see the driveway and the sidewalk and the car, but by morning, perhaps a dusting to an inch of snow on top of that. Thank you, Lake Michigan. As far as right now, we're trying to get snow showers.
I showed him the mess.
Let's say Lake Erie.
Hold that. Don't be this stupid though. Okay, put it on there. Dude, there's sugar all the way out here. Don't matter. Come on, put it back down. Stop doing that. Just pick it up. Okay, dump it. I'll throw it out in the snow. Okay. That doesn't cause rats. Ooh, this is gonna have to uplift for a little bit. I use this for ice. Not for ice. Salt. Wait, watch out. Don't do that. You'll just make a bigger mess. Seriously, don't do that. Okay, go done with that. Don't be this stupid when you're cooking. It's mine. Hello? Nothing. Okay. No. 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 Yeah, I told her. I don't have any homework. Okay, here he is. Hey, Mom, talk to you.
Be careful. By 9 o'clock, that snow is completely gone tomorrow, and then we await the chilly air overnight. Still watching the chance of clouds to roll in.
Okay.
Next system approaches with that may keep
Okay, you want me to tell him that, or you still want to talk to him?
We're still in good shape.
No, okay, homework needs to be completely done. There he is, here he is.
Heavy snow.
She's making stupid faces.
Dark blues. Snow will cover everything.
Yes, ma'am.
We transition that to a wintry mix of sleet and snow.
Okay, sorry about the mess, this is a long episode, so how about that much? How about that much? You guys see. Whoa, that's a lot of flour.
Oh, the whole thing.
It's homework.
It's like round it to the nearest 10 and 100. It's annoying.
and some sunshine. Wind chills 5 to 10 below. Maybe 7 to 4 cans overall. That system Friday night, 2 to 6 inches. Again, the lower numbers.
Okay, bye. I love you. Okay, guys, we are back. Sorry about that. Let me stir.
No, don't. No. So, I don't know what we're making. Oh, is that mom? Is that mom?
Game call. So, alright. Yeah, I got it, so I hung up.
Okay.
Goodbye.
She's gonna call back because she's.
Why would she call back?
What did she say?
She said, "You never hang up on me again or you'll be grounded."
Okay. Once the flour is gonna take over the sugar. Ooh, this is gonna be messy. Woo! Just dish out a little bit of caramel. Put her in there. Let's put this in the microwave.
Does not taste good. Caramel and flour.
Don't, dude. This is like a battered caramel. It's not like. It's just to batter up the caramel so you can put it in the freezer for the candy.
Oh, well, frick. I gotta do my homework since my mother says I don't have to. Yeah. That's why I'm not doing it, because I don't have to.
Dude!
Magic.
Knock it off! Levi, you're cleaning this mess up.
I didn't get it out.
I don't care. You're still cleaning it up. Dump a little caramel in there. Woo-wee!
Yummy.
This stuff is probably nasty. Okay. I wouldn't eat this. I wouldn't eat this if I were you guys. I really wouldn't. Stop. You're gonna get deep throated. I'm not lying. So once you have your caramel, Okay.
Smell.
This is gonna have to upload for a little bit.
Oh my god, it smells like dough. It smells so bad.
Okay, we need to put on the sugar back.
I'm gonna deep throat you.
That's a bad thing.
Well, you said it to me.
Well, when you're little, it's a bad thing. Whatever. We're gonna dump.
I'm not little. Oh yeah, all the sugar I'm blaming on you.
I don't care. No, she's not gonna know about it. Hey, she's gonna still find out about this. Thing. Did you throw the bowl out the window?
Yup. No. Eddie. But when we go out, we gotta grab them and throw them in the neighbor's yard. No, bitch. Just like the steaks, throw them in the road. Throw those steaks in the road!
Okay, we gotta clean up. How long has this been rolling for? 10 minutes almost. Don't end it.
Yeah, boys. Sake.
Oh, sorry. I need to.
I'm doing the doggy walk. There's so much sugar.
Dude.
Oh, the good old day.
Oh.
You won!
Are you 8? Are you 9? Or are you 10? I'm older than 10. 11? Older. He is 11. No, I'm 12 actually. Sorry.
No, you're 11.
No, I'm actually 12. Not lying. Legit. Ask mom and dad.
Legit, boys. Take cut 2.
Hey,
Subscribe.
Let's make oobleck. I know how to make oobleck.
Oh, guys, we'll do that in the next video. Peace out.
No. We're gonna do oobleck in this video.
No.
Yes. We're doing Levi, stop.
No.
I'm gonna release all your passwords to everything if you pause it. I legit will. Okay, to make oobleck, you need cornstarch. We don't even have cornstarch. Okay, we're not making oobleck. Okay, we need to get rid of all the sugar.
This guy sucks. Mom's home.
No, she's not.
No, seriously, she's not.
Okay, where's that broom pan?
Yeah, the trash goes out the window.
I can't.
Seriously.
So when we go outside to play, we pick it all up. Throw it in the neighbor's yard. Sounds like she's going back there.
She might look out the window.
That's why we run.
Okay, we're just gonna tell her we sweep this up out of the cupboard. Okay?
Oh yeah, Mouse. Mouse bit the hole. And
Wait, we need some ice cream salt, aka rock salt. Hey, is she really home?
no.
Okay.
I'm just getting my stuff on. AKA so right? And I'm gonna run like a boss. Get all that.
Why?
I'm almost done with this.
Okay, guys. Remember, do not eat that. And, see you guys in the next video. Bye!